Back at Bangor City, the last time you were here was a very special memories for you, I'm sure, scoring twice against England and 3 times against Luxembourg. What does it mean to you to be back here?
Oh, so can't wait to get started again. Getting back into the swing of things with these lads, and hopefully we can get the results that we want.
And obviously this is a club very close to your heart for other reasons. You started out there as an academy player. Can you tell us much about that?
I was there from about 6 to 7 until I was about 9, and then I got scouted for Wrexham, so I had a couple of good years there.
And you obviously had success there previously in the Victory Shield as well. I mean, this is a ground that's very special to you and to this team.
Yeah, the atmosphere there is unbelievable. All the Bangor supporters and all the locals come down to watch us, so yeah, can't wait to get started.
And I mean, everyone has their families coming down to watch these games, but for you, I imagine it's an even more special atmosphere. You get a lot of old friends going down to see you and so on.
Yeah, I think most of my friends are coming down to watch, and my family, so it should be a good experience.
And your granddad played for Bangor City as well. He's quite a successful player for Bangor. Can you tell us much about him?
He was one of the top goal scorers at Bangor back in the day, and I think he coached a couple of times for Bangor, so I think he's one of the legends there.
And do you still keep in touch with anyone at the club? Do you still get a chance to watch their games at all?
I come down a couple of times whenever I have a day off, and keep track of their scores and how they're doing in the league and that.
And 5 goals the last 2 games you were here. What would it mean to you to get something similar in these 2 games?
We'll have to wait and see, don't we? We need the win as a team, and that's all we want.
So how much do you think you've developed as a player, obviously the Toulon tournament and so on, since then?
I think I've become more of a man, physically and mentally, but I'm just looking forward to these 2 games and I can't wait.